Guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel, and in today's video I am going to be straightening my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in over 5 years. I think it's actually been longer than 5 years. I can't even remember the last time I straightened my hair. But I bought a new hair straightening, like blow drying tool, and I wanted to try it out, so I thought I would record it. I'm actually going to make this into 2 videos because I want to do a review on the tool as well, so that will be in a different video. But in this video I'm kind of going to be showing you me straightening my hair for the first time in 5 years, and kind of like my thoughts on what I had to deal with growing up, like with thick curly hair and not knowing how to handle it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. But basically my hair right now is pretty long. It's like reaches my lower back. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. I just got out of the shower. I had it in a towel for a bit, but this is what my hair looks like when I just get out of the shower. And I'm going to detangle my hair with this wide tooth comb. I detangled in the shower, but I also like to detangle when I come out of the shower. And I'm gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner. So this is the one by Garnier Whole Blends. It's a smoothing leave-in conditioner, and I thought it would be perfect. I'm just gonna go in with like this much on each side, but I thought it would be perfect since I'm planning to straighten my hair, so a smooth-in leave-in will be great. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it throughout my hair and then detangle my hair. The reason why I haven't straightened my hair in so long, it's because number one, it takes too long. I used to use a flat iron back in the day, and it just took a really long time because like I have long hair and I have curly hair. It would take like about, I would say 2 hours to do my entire head, and it wouldn't last too long. Like maybe I can go a week with it straight without having it curl up a lot. Like it would curl up during the week, but I would always like go in and like touch it up. After a week it was pretty bad. Like I would have to end up washing my hair. So my hair is combed out and it has the leave-in conditioner. I think it's like really important because like I don't want my hair to be dry. I want it to be nice and smooth. I just parted my hair to the side. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep it like that, but I remember like when I used to straighten my hair, I would always keep a side part. So yeah, so I combed through my hair. I put the leave-in conditioner in and it feels nice and soft. So now I'm gonna go in with a heat protectant. So I have 2 things from Tresemme. I have their Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray, and this is something I actually have used before. And then I also found this blow dry balm. It adds lightweight hold for perfect blowouts. So I think I'm gonna try the both. I'm gonna go in with this first, and I'm just gonna go in little sections of my hair and apply the balm to it. Yeah, so growing up, my hair was a lot thicker and a lot curlier when I was younger. And I'm also going to spray while I'm here. I'm just going to spray it into my hand and apply it to my hair. I don't know how I feel about spraying it directly on my hair. So yeah, I'm going to do that with each section. So my parents didn't really know how to handle my hair. I didn't really know how to handle my hair, so it was kind of like confusing all around. Like we all didn't know. Once I got into high school, I started straightening my hair often, and honestly I didn't like how my hair looked straight. I love my curly hair, but I just kind of wanted to try it out today, see how it looks. And plus I have a lot going on this week, and with straight hair it's just easier to handle everything when your hair's straight. So curly hair is a lot of maintenance. Like you have to always do your hair and you have to take care of it, or else it can like turn into a real disaster. So yeah, just gonna keep going through my hair with both products. And sorry if the lighting keeps going in and out. I'm using natural light. Yeah, so I remember like when I was a kid, people always made fun of my hair. I don't know why. Like, kids are so mean. When I think about it now, like the amount of things people made fun of me about is crazy, but I never understood why people made fun of my hair. Like, they would say it's puffy and it's frizzy and I don't comb my hair, and it always used to make me feel bad. Now I don't care. Like, honestly, I embrace my curls. I love my curls. If people think it looks wild, that's on them. Like, my hair is beautiful and I love it, but everybody used to make fun of my hair growing up, like how it's so wild and I should comb it and a whole bunch of other stuff. I really don't understand how kids can be like that. But yeah, I love my hair. I think it looks great, and I wouldn't have asked for any other type of hair but curly hair. Yeah, a lot of people say, you know, they pay a lot of money to get hair like this. So I'm definitely thankful and grateful that my hair is the way God meant for it to be, and I'm happy that I'm okay with it, and I have learned to accept it, and I love it, and it doesn't really matter what like other people think. I remember growing up, my mom has straight hair, but she always used to perm her hair curly because she loves curly hair. So I'm like, you know, it is true. Like, people pay money to get hair that looks like mine, and I have it naturally, so I should be happy. So yeah, product is all throughout my hair. Now we're gonna do the straightening process. So I'm gonna actually be using a new tool. I've never used this before. I've always straightened my hair with a flat iron, and I think once somebody straightened my hair for me with a round brush. I haven't tried any of those other hair straightening tools, so I'm kind of excited to be using this one. So this is what I'm going to be straightening my hair with today. This is the Revlon one-step volumizer and blow dryer. I honestly don't know what to expect, so we're going to try it out. I'm going to do like a first impressions video on this next, so you guys can kind of get an idea about how it works. But yeah, we're gonna try it. I think I'm gonna start at the back of my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna start at the back and work forward. I haven't straightened my hair in so long. I don't even know how to do it. Like, I don't know where to start. But I'll start with the back and then move my way forward. I'm just gonna tie my hair up with a hair tie. Yeah, so I've learned to love my hair and embrace my hair. And to any of you out there that are struggling with your hair and, you know, may not know how to handle it or deal with it or style it, it will come with time. Like, trust me, I, for the longest time, didn't even know what products to use in my hair. Anyway, so we're gonna try it out. I watched like one video on how to use it, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be doing it right, but we're gonna see. And yeah, let's start. So this is how it looks like after one round of it. It's still pretty curly. So that was on cool setting. I'm gonna go to high. Oh my gosh, wow, look at that. I'm shocked. Okay. I am shocked, guys. This looks so good. Wow. I'm like in complete shock. I didn't think it was gonna turn out this well, to be honest, because the videos I saw of people doing their hair, they didn't have the same like texture I had. So I was I was really concerned that it wouldn't work out, but it looks really good. It looks really nice. It's already feeling like nice and soft. Okay, so I decided that I would check the time to see how long this actually takes. So it's almost 3 o'clock. So we'll time it, because I remember back in the day when I used to straighten my hair, it would take around like 2 hours to do my full head of hair. So we'll see how long this takes. But so far I'm like really liking the results. Okay, so that's the first section. I really like how it looks. It looks really nice. Okay, so we're gonna do the second section now. And I'm just gonna kind of like twirl it a bit so it kind of keeps that curl. You can also like pin it up if you want to keep the curl as well. I'll do just a bit of a twist. What I really like about this brush too is that it kind of like helps detangle the hair as well. I love like when you do it, it gives you like this nice like curl at the bottom. About like half my hair is done right now. It looks really nice. I like how it looks. It's not like straight, it still has volume. There's some pieces I didn't really go over too much just because I kind of like the look of it not being completely straight. These parts have to go over a bit more, but it's doing a pretty good job, better than what I expected. yeah, it's so weird having my hair straight. I'm gonna be able to comb it in the morning and I'm not gonna have any tangles. Well, if I do have tangles, it's not that bad. But yeah, it only took me, so it's 3:41 right now. So it took me about like 40 minutes to do my entire hair, which is not bad considering with a flat iron, it takes me like a good 2 hours. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see from me next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!